Hi, my name is Linda Lovisa. I'm here in my studio today, but I'm here to talk to you about a workshop I took with Geert Maas. I had just relocated to Kelowna, West Kelowna actually, from Northwestern Ontario, and I had met a group of ladies. One of the ladies in that group, Maureen Layback, had suggested we do this workshop together. There were 5 of us in the group, and it was a perfect way to integrate myself into the community of the arts in Kelowna. I had no idea really how important this project was when I first got involved, and as time went on, I just realized what a wonderful thing this was. So my particular medallion, it was I guess the challenging part for me was because I hadn't lived in Kelowna for very long, I had to really search for how my experience could fit into the theme of the exhibition that was going to be at City Hall. And so I started to reflect on how I got here. So my medallion is called Paths to Paradise. So I left Northwestern Ontario, and to me Northwestern Ontario was paradise in a very different way, of course. But I had been in the Kelowna area now at this moment in time for about 1.5 years, and realized that we have, paradise everywhere in Canada, really. So Paths to Paradise was the theme for my medallion. And the carving of the medallion, like the process was so interesting, and I'm a hands-on kind of person, and I loved modeling the clay that we sculpted, and just how precise everything had to be, so that when your medallion, when the bronze was poured in, and how all the little bits had to be perfect, so that they didn't show up in the bronze piece as a negative thing that was missed. So Geert was so patient with all of us, and double checking everything and making sure that everything was nice and smooth, and that because he knows how it's going to turn out. We didn't really know how it was going to turn out and how important all these little processes were in the end results. He just drew us in easily with his way of simplifying things, so that we didn't feel intimidated by the whole process. It was quite special and really something beautiful. So when I created my piece and the medallion appeared, and it was just so cool to see how all of that worked out. He had suggested that I patina mine. So the patina was that greenish coloring that appears on my medallion, and I was so appreciative of his his guidance in everything we did. It was a fantastic experience. I can't say much more than that. Thank you for watching this video with me today, and taking in a little bit of Kelowna history.